Very good morning. Today we are discuss about the distributed SCADA system. In any application, if the number of channels is quite large, then in order to interface these to processor, one has to use multiplexer at different levels. The figure represents the interfacing of 256 channels using 17 multiplexers of 16 channels each. The 8 address lines are used to address 256 channels. Out of the 8 address lines, upper the 4 are used to subject a particular multiplexer and lower 4 lines are used to select a particular channel in multiplexer. The 8-bit channel address thus directly maps into channel number and can be many pulsated in any way. The other parts of the same described area. The approach will be suitable for the processes which are basically slow, even if a channel is scanned only once in every scan. It is only after 255 channels have been scanned a limit checking and analysis have been performed. A particular channel will be addressed again. This is not acceptable in many processes. Here multiplexer 1, 2, 3 and 16, 17 and analog to digital conversion, then address decoder, and memory allocations and the flip-flop and based on the address bus and then address bus data bus and also the latch it's a register, it's analog to digital conversion and then processor in the layout. Here the CPU, then interface module, serial interface module due to the channel 1, 2, 3 and main channel 1 and channel 2 is the process and then channel 3 and then up to the nth value. The figure shows the interfacing of number of SCADA systems with the central computer in star configuration, daisy chain configuration respectively. The SCADA system is directly connected to the transducer are called models and even the technical discussed earlier. Convert the data into engineering units. Perform the in addition of these functions, data regarding the channels in the nodes are transferred to the central computer, which analyzes the system performance and generates printout. The printouts generated exception, that is unnecessary data is not printed at any point. Then next CPU and then OAS from others. All the node level, the printout is required for the operators to run the system. Depending upon the node performance, requires decides to monitor channel more frequently, change the time limits, etc. The printout the central node required for the manager to take long-term decision to optimization performance. The details on the channel performance, the limit violation are not required at this level. On the other hand, histogram on that input and output material flow and fuel consumption, etc. Making more helpful, the concept of local area network or microprocessor interconnections can be used to case of distributed SCADA system and effectively. Thus we are conclude that distributed SCADA is the ultimate solution for the complex process plant monitoring. And then next, data logger. Data logger or data recorder is an electronic device that records data over time in relation to location, either built in instrument or sensor, or via external instrument and sensor. Increasingly, but not entirely, based on that digital processor or computer. They generally are small battery powered, portable and equipped with a microprocessor, internal memory for data storage and sensor. Some data lockers interface with a personal computer and utilize software to activate the data logger and view and analyze collected data, while others have local interface device, keyboard, LCD, and can be used as a standalone device. Thank you.